What's up, everybody? Welcome to Rotor Workbench. I'm ExpressLRS, and today we're going to install the ExpressLRS configurator on your Windows PC. Navigate to github.com/ExpressLRS or click the link in the description. Click on the ExpressLRS configurator link. On the right-hand side, you'll see releases. The ExpressLRS configurator 1.5.5 is the latest release. Click on that, and that's where we're going to find our download file. Scroll down to Assets and download the file that's labeled ExpressLRS Configurator Setup 1.5.5.exe. Click on the exe file once it's finished downloading to install. You may have to allow access to the app. If so, click Run Anyway to run the program. Allow access to Windows if the program asks, and then click a location on your hard drive and click Install. Click Finish to run the configurator for the first time. Since this is a program that I use often, I like to right-click on the icon in the taskbar and click Pin to Taskbar. Then the next time I need to use this app, it will be very easy to locate. And now you have successfully installed ExpressLRS Configurator to your Windows PC. We'll have more videos about ExpressLRS in the future, and I'll link the videos in the description as they're made. Thanks for watching, guys. Let us know in the comments which ExpressLRS receiver or transmitter you downloaded ExpressLRS Configurator for. And if this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. I'm ExpressLRS, and we'll see you next time on Rotor Workbench.